Morning everyone, how are you? I'm so excited today. I'm going to share with you a new mystery subscription box that I've got. So join me the other side of the intro and let's open it together. Hit it, maestro! Now, and at last I'm starting to settle down and get things sorted. So you know, I've got so many unboxings to do. I have got that many up that corner, it's untrue, but I'm getting there. We're getting there, and I'm just doing a couple at a time so I can edit them. Yeah, I've also ordered myself a happy planner. I have, thanks to my wonderful friend Hope, who's a really bad enabler. I've been watching her videos and I decided I need to plan. There's so much to do, so little time. Well, there's lots of time, but sometimes if you don't plan, you're not in the right space, are you? So that's what I've done. So, yeah, but I'm so excited. My mission is, I have a lot of subscription boxes, as you know, to open up. And they cost a fortune, and I still want to open up mystery boxes. But I need to try and find some cheaper ways of getting subscription boxes as well, I really do. So, my wonderful friend Vicky over at Vixxen Lost in Disney, I'll link her down below, she gets this subscription box, so I pinched this idea off her, and when I see her opening hers, I love it. So I thought, I've got to try, I've got to see what this is like myself. Now the only issue they do is they only do one, so it's not personalised to everybody. So I think it's the first of the month, they put them up for sale. I'm not sure if they ship worldwide or whether it's just the UK. But they're only £25. I know £25 is a lot of money, but that's probably closer to $30 than anything. So for a subscription box, that is not bad at all. And obviously for us in the UK, we've got to pay postage, and the postage on this was £3.90, so $5 to get it shipped to me. And there's no customs, there's no fees, there's no nothing, because it's from the UK. So it is called Paradise Falls. And what this company does, if I've got it correct, is they get lots of small shops together and then they put together this box every month. So for £25, that's a really, really good deal. So I'm going to open it now. I've got another one. I've got the month before sat at that corner, but I've not been here, have I? And the reason I'm doing this one is I don't know quite whereabouts it is in the pile. Yeah, I need someone to come and help me. So I'm undone the sellotape. Okay, I've never opened one of these before, so yay! And because it's from the UK, I haven't got a packing service opening it and messing it up for me. It says it's sent, look, yay! Because any of the subscription boxes I get, there's a couple that deliver direct, but most I have to go through a mailing service where they give you an address, and that's your PO box over in America, and they send them there. But then obviously they have to open it and check it, make sure it is what it is, before they can send it you, to make sure, you know, nothing untoward is being sent. So yeah, so you can imagine it's not my mind is, and I keep sending requests, but we'll get there, But this is off Paradise Falls. Oh, I love this. Right, now I know that this is a print from Magic Moon Club, which used to be called Rock Paper Sisters. How can you forget a name like Rock Paper Sisters? Because like scissors, isn't it? That's how I can remember that. But they're now changed to Magic Moon Club. And that is one of their prints. And in fact, they've done a collaboration with my wonderful friend Jessie over at Miss Cherry's channel, and they've done a t-shirt for her, which is fantastic. So you'll have to go and check that out. So I'll link that down below for you as well. But yeah, so on the back of this postcard, it tells you the small shops that are in this box. So there's 5. So yeah, we'll see if I know who's off who, because I won't. Now, I've cheated because I watched my friend's video, so I know this is off Magic Moon Club. Well, there's a bit of a hint, Karen, because there's a label there that's got MM, so that tells you. But look at this. Look, isn't this fantastic? Look, anyone can cook apron. Well, we know that's not strictly true. I can do a mean pasta. I can, and a mean roast dinner. But give me a slab of meat and I wouldn't know what to do with it. So yeah, so you've got, this is all Disney thing, because this is based on Ratatouille, isn't it? So you've got the chef's hat, the spoon. It's just beautiful. And it's just a plain, completely plain black apron. One size fits all. I love that. I love that. I do love that. And does it say anything on there? No, just says that. And it's 100% cotton, so I can wash it. So I absolutely adore that. I don't know what this is, but I think this is from Lottie Bounds, which is the card there. So I'm not sure. These are like some little star. Oh! It came off in the box. Why did I not think it was going to come off as I was moving it? I mean, really, Karen, really. Now these remind me like something out of the fish tank of Finding Nemo. But I don't know if they're iron-on patches. I'll get you off, so I've got a feeling it's iron-on, but I don't know. So I don't know if these are iron-on or stick-on, or so I've got to look that up. There's some little stars so you can decorate things with. Now this isn't me. This isn't something I'd use, so I will be gifting that, but I need to find out what it is first of all. So that's that. What else have we got? Oh, we've got a necklace. Now this is from Magic Moon Club. And this is a skull cocoa necklace. So it's done very much like a guitar pick. Is it a guitar pick? I think it could actually be a guitar pick. Now that's not anything that I'd wear, so I will definitely be gifting that out as well. But I think that was a little extra that was put into the box. What else have we got? Ooh. This one here is from Disney Wrapping. So I've got some buttons. So I've got the chef from Ratatouille. And these are really decent buttons. These are about, what, an inch and a half, 2 inches. I have got Dory in Finding Nemo, surrounded by all the other fish in the net. And then the last one, and I love this. So if I find somewhere to put this, I don't know what to do with my buttons. Maybe, because I keep special lanyards in the office upstairs, so like Halloween Horror Nights, which I know is Universal, or like the Fairy Tales event, but I don't stick pins on them, so maybe I need to stick badges on instead. Buttons, we call them badges. And then I've got Carl there, Mr. Fredrickson Carl on a button. So those 3 buttons. I have a t-shirt. I've been dying to open this because you know when they ask you your size. So I told them an extra large, so I hope it fits. This'll fit. So this is by Popcorn Clothing UK. And look at this. I like these because they're subtle. It's not like, because I wear Disney all the time. I always go out in my spirit jerseys. But I do wear them all the time. So sometimes you don't want to be obvious because people will think that you're weird. Yeah. So this is quite good because it's subtle. So it's got Join Uzma Kappa, and it's got on there, we're okay. We have cake. So that's obviously from the fraternity from Monsters University and Mike. But isn't that cool? And it's just a plain white t-shirt. And I've done the bust test and it will definitely fit. So yes, I love that. I love that. That's a really nice t-shirt. And then there's one more thing inside. And this is from Sugar Shell Studio. And this is really, really amazing. This is really amazing. And and they sent a £5 gift voucher so that I can get some money off if I decide to do an order just to them alone. But look, how perfect is this? Perfect is this? It's a My Adventure Book cookie. And it's a sugar cookie with that one. I mean, how fab's that? How can you actually eat that? And this is good until the 15th of November, so I've got lots of time to think about it. And I'll put it in a sealed Tupperware container so it won't let any air in. But isn't that fabulous? And it's a real work of art. I mean, I can put my teeth into it quite easily. But should you? That is the question. Should you? So I hope you've enjoyed this. This is a monthly box. They don't do a subscription. You have to click on and buy the box. So I'll be doing that again on the 1st of October. So I hope you've enjoyed that. I've loved that. And to find a new mystery box is wonderful. So thank you, everyone. If you've enjoyed this, please click that subscribe button at the end of the video if you're not subscribed already, and the notification bell. That way then YouTube will let you know when I've uploaded a video, and it's entirely up to yourselves if you watch it or not, but at least you know, so you won't miss anything that you really do want to watch. But thank you so much, everyone. Be good, be kind, take care of yourselves, have a wonderful Halloween, because it's coming really soon, and I'll see you really soon. Bye for now, everyone. Bye.